Hello talent, welcome to Profitable Talent. I'm Alessia and this is Iacopo. Today we wanted to talk to you about something incredible, something that has helped our business grow exponentially since we started using this incredible software, and it is Kajabi. I will let my husband right here, which is the techie guy, explain everything that we use it for. Only one software can do everything: sending emails, building a website, having a funnel, creating courses, and even
taking payments.
I know, right? I will let him talk about this and I will let him explain how this incredible software has made our life at Lazy Dancer Tips so easy that now we just dance and we are happy and we make others happy too.
Do you remember back in the days where we started with all free software, and I still have a video of me trying to work a way of building a website in WordPress, the free version, and installing all the plugins to make what we wanted happen? Do you remember that?
I remember that, and I remember how slow it was, and I remember how incredibly...
Me or the website?
Everything. And how incredibly complicated it became.
At the beginning is great because you feel like you could do all things in the world with free software, and then when you start growing, all of the free trial expire and you need to start paying. And then we ended up having to scrap everything and start from scratch. And we found that Kajabi was the software to rule them all. If you want to have an online business, what are the main things that we need to make it running? Well, the first thing is having a public website. A public website that doesn't just show people the things that you do, but it can also collect emails, collect payments, and all that kind of stuff, all in one platform. And also manages your backend. If you're selling courses, what the backend is going to look like and the experience to your users. But why don't we show them some web pages that we created for our online business? Not just standard websites, but also funnels and what you can do with Kajabi. But this is an example of a home page that we have at profitabletalents.com. As you can see, it's nice and designy because we've got a designer helping us out. This is pure Kajabi standard. We didn't introduce any custom coding. And as you can see, there are not many call to actions in this page because the only thing we want the homepage to do is to give out free resources. In this case, it's a sales page framework. And with this CTA at the bottom and also a CTA at the top of the website, we can collect name and email and follow up with you via email. But what if you want to create a lead magnet and give it out to people in a separate page? Like this is an example of one of the most successful lead magnet that we created for Lazy Dancer Tips. And as you can see, it's very simple. It's just an image and a little bit of a description of what it is plus a call to action. Same deal, there's a pop-up showing up, asking you for name and email, and that's it. The rest of the page is just a collection of Alessia's story and what they can expect from this free resource. We want to give as much information as we want because it's a valuable resource and we want people to have it. And also we created a more complex page as well to sell our membership. As you can see, you can add videos on it as backgrounds, and you can have videos that can play and look like they're completely embedded in the web page. You create animations and different sections with all these beautiful designs that you can come up with. As you can see, we've got call to actions for people to join and actually start paying us for the services we offer. And these links bring us to point number 2, the way to collect money. In this case, for this membership, we offer 3 different packages, and we want to show you what's behind the scenes of this without you having to actually pay for it. We are in the back end of our Lazy Dancer Tips website, and as you can see, there are many products being created here for our users. I just wanted to show you the main ones that we use, which is mainly courses. You go up here, new product, you can find a list of what kind of products you can create, and at the moment you can create courses, which is just a bunch of videos and resources put together. A podcast, which is kind of self-explanatory. And the community is where people can gather together, comment and chat with each other, and have challenges as well. And the product coaching, which is slightly different, is where you can offer coaching packages and your client can access all the recordings and the agenda and the notes for all of your sessions, either group or one-to-one. When somebody buys something from you in your Kajabi website, they'll get into the library section, which is what you see right now. In the Lazy Dancer Studio, we have many different products that they can access, and each one of those, it's something different. We have the communities, we have the programs, the ballet plans, but we also have something that we call the ballerina journey, which is a day-by-day guide that we created connecting multiple products together. One essential part of your website is that it should be able to collect payments, and in Kajabi you do it with something called offers. This is a bundle we created. It's very simple. I have to say, you cannot customize this a lot because you want your checkout page to be as simple as possible. In this backend, inside offers, you can create something that has got a price and gives you access to specific products within Kajabi. And in terms of pricing, what you could do is you can choose from one-time payments, multiple payments if you want to do payment plans, or subscriptions, meaning that they pay every month, every week, every year, you decide. And also free, you can have a free product as well. After that, you can connect it to a payment providers like Stripe or PayPal, and you choose how much you want to price it. In this case, it's $147 US. That's it. And if you want to see the end result, this is what it is. You can have a nice header, a picture of it, a summary of what's included, plus authority badges or guarantees. That's it. This is the simplest page of your website, but once people put their email and credit card details in it, your money will be transferred to you and they'll get automatically access to the things that they've bought. This is lifesaver. Not having to connect things together was great for us. Kajabi is the only software we use to run our multiple six-figure-a-year online business. And if we could go back in time and tell ourselves, just use this software, I would do it. Kajabi has got a 14 days free trial on their website, but because we talked to them and we managed to have a special deal for you, we wanted to offer you a 30 days free trial so that you can start building your online business from scratch. But also, if you use our link, you can get sales page frameworks that you can use to write your own sales pages, and an email course that guides you through the process, a mini course on how to set up Kajabi from the ground up, and plug and play templates to build your beautiful sales page. So you don't have to design it, we've done it for you. This is only if you decide to remain after the free trial period. Of course, if you use our affiliate link, not only you get all the bonuses that I just explained, but you will also support us at no extra cost to you at all. If you want to try Kajabi and get all the goodies that we talked about, there's a link in the description box below. Managing your people, the people that opted in for your free product, the people that bought something from you, the mixture of the two. And you can do that with filters, for example. You could use filters, for example, in this case, if I want to send an email broadcast to all the people that not bought anything yet, I can select customers. Is customer? Nope, it's not, meaning that they haven't bought anything, and just apply the filters and I'm gonna see how many people haven't bought, and I can contact them and probably introduce a new offer for them that maybe it's a new promotion this month. Maybe you want to only contact people that bought a specific offer from you, and you can do that using a different filter. This is how you can create a personalized experience with the people that joined your ecosystem, that bought from you, and they are waiting to buy from you once the new offer, the perfect offer, comes along. Inside Kajabi, emails are not just email broadcasts, they can be email sequences as well that get triggered when people do specific things. For example, if you give out a free resource and you want an email sequence to start for the user and follow up in their journey, you could do that. So I'm going to show you both so you can see what you can do. Each email broadcast has got their own stats, so you can see how many people clicked, how many unsubscribed, how many bought. And this is an example of one of our email broadcasts. This is specifically to promote a bundle that we created recently. And as you can see, you can customize your text, add emojis, add images, and make it readable. We prefer to have a very simple approach. We want an email to look like it's been written by a human, not just by a salesy corporation. So this is how simple we keep things. If you click on report, you can see how many people have been sent to, how many delivered. Some people just type the wrong emails and they bounce back. How many people clicked, how many unsubscribed, how many opened, and that gives you an idea on click-through rate on your email subjects, on your call to actions, in the links, if people want the offer, they don't. And it's a very good tool to track your progress in terms of email marketing. But let's suppose you want to create an email sequence for people that bought something from you. Like in our case, we wanted to create an email sequence to introduce our membership, which is our flagship product, to all of the people that bought self-standing products. We want to gradually nurture them to understand what the membership benefits are. In this case, if you create a new email sequence in Kajabi, it will look something different from an email broadcast. The beauty of an email sequence is that it gives you the opportunity to say, whenever something happens, subscribe the user to the email sequence. In this case, every time somebody bought this specific programs from us, they will start being subscribed to this email list. There are all the list of emails within the email sequence. And email 1, for example, will start at day 4, meaning once they get subscribed to the email sequence, after 4 days, people will receive this email. And you can choose how many days to wait before the email gets sent. And it's very good to define and design a personalized approach on how you want to contact your people. You have exactly the same builder that you have in the email broadcast, so all the sequence will work exactly the same. It's just a chain of emails with a specific timestamp on them on when they should come out. It is incredible how you can take all of these elements and connect them by simply saying, once this happens, do that. And having builders that are not complicated, not for techie people to figure out, and it's just a drag and drop experience most of the times. Even I managed to put together a website, nice looking, and I didn't have to install any plugin because I needed a double column section, which is what I used to do in WordPress.
And everything that you've seen in the back end, every single program I put together myself. So if a ballerina could actually figure out how to use a very simple software like Kajabi, I'm sure you can too. It just needs a little bit of work, a little bit of understanding a new software, like any new thing, and then you're set to go to create your business and have everything that works for you.
But what if you're an advanced user that needs very complex funnels to work? You're my guy, I love that. So
what if it's a girl?
Yeah! If you want to create a quiz, for example, that's got multiple outcomes, multiple results, and will lead people to different landing pages, collecting data and taking payments as well for different products, well, we've done that in Kajabi too. And guess what? We created a video where I guide you step by step on how you can do the same. And watch it right now because it's super cool. No. But what if you...
Sorry.
Let's jump on the monitor.
So cheesy.
Let's jump.